Hello everybody, this is Neff and this is another video tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to take a New York City fire truck and change it from the color red to the color purple. You could choose from many of my sample images inside the assets folder and do the same exercise with any one of these pictures. So be sure to download the assets folder off of the link below. So let's get started. We're going to go ahead and open Photoshop, and I'm going to go to File, Open, and I am going to go to my Assets folder and Sample Pictures. Now I'm going to select the New York Fire Trucks JPEG picture, and I'm going to open this up. And now I'm going to get started by looking for the eyedropper. The eyedropper can be found on the side. We're going to go ahead and sample a little bit of the red color. And I'm going to go to the top menu, select color range, and now as you can see, you can select color red and add different shades of the color red until it starts selecting more of the image. I'm going to go ahead and change the fuzziness to around 120. That looks pretty good right there. And now as you can see here, it marquees out all of the color red on the fire trucks. I'm gonna go ahead and change the color. We're gonna change it to the color green, or yeah, the color green sounds good. So I'm gonna go to the bottom right here, and I am going to hit solid color, and I'm going to select the color green. Okay, now I've changed the color to the color green, but you can see there's a couple of mistakes here. One is that the color green is the same throughout, so it looks really flat, and it selected the color green on the Burger King sign in the background. So I'm going to fix that by first fixing this right here, this Burger King green logo. I'm going to hit the mask tool, or I'm going to hit the mask for this photograph, and I'm going to go to the paintbrush. Now the way this works is that it's gonna use two values to mask out an area. It's gonna use black and it's gonna use white, so kind of like 0 and 1 and everything in between. So if you use white, it's gonna reveal the mask, and if you use black, it's gonna hide the mask. So I'm gonna go ahead and use black and paint over the sign. And I'm not sure what this is, but I think that's part of the building, so I'm gonna mask that out too. And then you can see a little bit of this right going on back here. There, all fixed. Now we need to fix the flatness of the fire truck. I'm gonna go ahead and select this little green dot right here just to make sure we're not affecting the layer mask. And now I'm going to my blending options, and I'm gonna select one of the following. So if it's a really light color, you can use multiply, but that doesn't look good. That looks kind of like blood red. I am going to use hue for this particular image, and now I have a green fire truck with all its reflections, and it has its depth on it as well. All you have to do now is file, save, and for this tutorial we're going to save this in assignments 2, and we're going to save this as a JPEG image and name it assignment 2 underscore name underscore version 1, and that's about it. Now remember, this is not the only image available to do. Just take a look at your directory in the assets folder and take a look at any of these pictures that you could do this to. This is a very fascinating one. You could change the color of the houses, the color of these murals, the tile, or the house. So it easily works with any of these pictures. Go ahead and try it out, upload it onto the Google Classroom. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.